Sundaram, consultant neonatologist. We are starting a new session called 5 Minute with the Expert. And today we have with us our consultant pediatric cardiologist, Dr. Nilesh Oswal. Dr. Nilesh is trained both in India as well as in UK, including reputed centers like Great Ormond Street. And now he works as a consultant pediatric cardiologist at Zuleika Hospital, Dubai. Welcome, Dr. Nilesh.
Thank you. Thank you for the introduction, Dr. Sridhar.
I have two quick questions. Obviously, it's a 5-minute session, so we don't have too much time to answer. But two brief answers, please. The first question is, when do you think a family should meet a pediatric cardiologist?
Most of the time it has been referred by pediatrician. They have seen the child first, and if they have any concern, they generally refer it to us. Most common concerns are if they hear any murmur in the child, or if there is any family history of congenital heart disease in family, or if there is any antenatal scan was suggesting that the child may have any heart problem, then they generally are referred to us by the pediatrician. Pediatrician generally get concerned when they notice if the child is getting excessively tired, particularly on feeding, or excessively sweating and not able to complete feed, or if there is excessive heart rate or excessive breathing, then they refer it to us. Also, if a pediatrician has noticed that oxygen level is low, or if there is any bluish tinge noted in child, they refer it to us.
I think this can be picked up on the newborn heart screening as well, isn't it? That the failing of the heart screen.
Yes, it can be also used in newborn screening, such as measuring the oxygen level for all newborn. And if their oxygen concentration is lower on the machine, then they are referred to pediatric cardiologist for further evaluation.
Thank you. And one of the common questions that the parents get is obviously when we see them in the clinic and we mention there is a murmur, they get anxious about it. Can you tell us how you would approach a child with a murmur when the parent visits you?
Often, this is again referred by pediatrician if they notice the murmur. Murmur is actually a whooshing sound which appears in between heart sounds. And that can be normal, or it can be because of any heart problem such as the hole in the heart or obstruction in the wall. So when we hear the whooshing, we evaluate when they come to our clinic by measuring their heart rate, their oxygen level, and their weight gain. After taking the full history from the parents, whether anybody else in family has a heart problem, or the child is having any excessive sweating, weight loss, not feeding well, or getting tired, and on listening, if there is a significant murmur, then we decide whether we need to do any echocardiography for the child and the electrocardiogram. Echocardiography is the main role to find out if any structural heart problem is there, such as the hole in the heart or the wall, obstruction or leaking. These all things can give you the heart murmur sound in children. And after that, yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. Can you mention about the innocent murmur? I mean, most of the time, the pediatrician might say it looks like an innocent murmur. So what does it mean?
Yeah, most of the, like 10% of the children may have a heart murmur without any heart problem. So these are just an innocent murmur. Sometimes it appears, you can hear it because there is a rapid heart rate, or child is suffering from fever, or if there is any low hemoglobin, then also you can hear such type of sound. We also say it is a physiological murmur. So that does not mean that there is a problem with the heart. So that's why it is called innocent murmur. Approximately 10% of the children may have it, and it disappears as they grow with the age, and does not require any further treatment for that.
Thank you. So hopefully majority of the children are healthy, and even if the murmur is heard, it's innocent. And we really appreciate your time. I know it's a brief session and we can repeat it on more important questions. If parents have any suggestions or queries, please mention in the comments section, and I will forward it to Dr. Nilesh, who can get in touch with you as needed. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Nilesh.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Sridhar.